Barry from QuickSilver here. I have been reliably informed by the crew at QuickSilver Towers that there's something special in here today, and could just be Rob.
I'm Rob from QuickSilver Sound Architects.
But up on the ramp, I do believe, my eyes do not see me, this is another Ford GT.
This is yet another Ford GT. We at QuickSilver, we basically aim to be the only manufacturer for Ford GT exhausts. We've done quite a few so far. We intend to do quite a few more. So this is our latest offering in this lovely silver, with what I see is like a bit of a Hot Wheels design. If you can see up here, like there's got an entire black and red stripe going right down the middle of it. Very nice and funky. And yeah, we're going to be fitting this lovely bit of kit to it. Well, Ben will be. I won't be doing anything.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this system, people may have seen the Shmee 150 video. If you haven't, check it out. He's got one of these on his car. Yeah. Very cool. And we also done the liquid carbon a couple of weeks ago.
We did the liquid carbon a couple of weeks ago. That was gorgeous.
Why are people choosing our system over the competitor systems?
Well, for starters, competitor systems, including the Akrapovic, unfortunately, are just showing signs of quite fast decay and wear, and they're just not lasting as long as a customer would like them to. So we've come up with a solution which will absolutely blow it out of the water and will last, well, we hope indefinitely. As you can see, if I just sort of bring you over to the...
Sorry. Hello, Ben, by the way.
Hello,
wasn't ignoring you.
I'm doing the hard one.
But as you can see, like the stock exhaust is quite bulky. It's quite, it's got a lot of cladding on it, and it's just not quite as efficient as we'd like. Lots of silencing in it as well. As you can see, we've taken that. We've just basically made it straight through.
They're not coated, like that's raw.
No, they're not coated. We've left that as raw ink now, just for that nice chef's kiss touch at the end. Obviously ceramic coated, take up some ridiculous heat, and overall it gives you a nice, as it's straight, because it's straight through, you get a nice proper kick of volume, but also that nice refined tone that we're so well known for.
We'll see it when that is there and that is not there.
I'm sure you'll do your classic sort of, I made this one earlier sort of thing.
But here we have, as I say, this is absolutely raw, rolled back Inconel tips, which the original doesn't have. They look a bit thinner and they are absolutely awesome. Give it a very, very sort of motorsport finish. Underneath, again, as we said before, the coating, it kind of arcs back to the original coating you had on the original GT40s, this aluminum coating. Of course, this is ceramic coated based paint, which helps with heat transfer and just keeps under engine, well, that's where the gearbox and stuff is, keeps temperatures down to a minimum where possible. We're going to start it up in a minute. As also said, these are the big OPF filters, which don't help with the sound, but of course removing this really does help with the sound. So we're going to now start it up, see what it sounds like.
Right, go for it. How do you feel about that, Barry?
All that. If you have one of these cars and you want our system on it, click the links below or give us a ring. We have dealers worldwide that can supply you and fit it for you, or we can send it to you directly. Also, if you want to hear more cool content we're uploading all the time, subscribe, hit the bell, and I hope to hear your Ford GT with our system on it very, very soon.